CoNnOrMoNsTeR.
Alright, what are we doing?
Making a drone. Well, not making it, but setting one up.
So start setting that up.
Yep.
You know what I'm going to do?
Yeah, so first I should probably take up the powers.
Okay. Fold that out. Put this down here. Or maybe right in the middle.
Wait, that goes like that. Oh. Hey.
Alright. Now, how do you take off? Do you remember?
Yeah, I just gotta press this.
Alright, now you just press and hold that.
I kind of feel it.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Now we're recording. Do your pre-flight. Up and down. Now turn it towards us.
Hello.
You know how to tilt the camera? There's a little wheel down there. Turn it to the left to tilt it down, to the right to turn it up. There we go. Now what do you want to do?
Let's still fly around.
Take her up to about 100 feet.
Okay, 100 feet.
We want to be above those towers.
Okay. God, towers.
Take her up to about 120. Right there. There we go. You want to fly around a little bit first?
Yeah, I could notice.
Well, I'm watching the drone, so you can watch the camera. You want to make sure you do like a shot of the river. Now how do you turn the drone?
Turn the drone.
Turn it. Go easy on the sticks. There you go. And where are we?
Yeah. Right there.
You want to go like kind of follow the river a little bit?
Yeah.
We'll bring it back this way. So turn it around and just kind of follow the river back to us. Go back a little to the right to the river so you can see the river. There you go. And fly straight. I see the drone coming in. Now, bring your altitude down a little bit. Just use the camera. I'm spotting the drone, so you don't have to look up at it. So use the camera to control the drone. Bring it towards us. And you can move it down and towards us at the same time. You know that, right? There you go. Bring it a little closer to us. Alright, now, do you want to put it in follow mode?
Where I do that?
Hold on. Bring it over closer to us. You want to, like, walk up the trail and have it follow you?
Yeah.
Alright, so what I'm going to have you do is... Here, let me bring the drone over. See? Look, I'm pressing it full forward. Notice it's not moving?
Yeah.
You know why it's not moving?
So that way don't break.
Because it's obstacle avoidance.
Yeah.
So it will not let you hit anything. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you how to do the movement tracking. And you don't need the radio for it. You're going to use the iPad. So, I'm going to put the drone up at about, let me see over here. We're going to take it up to about, right about there, I think should be safe. It's not going to hit any cars that way. Now, what I want you to do is draw a box around yourself.
Okay.
Alright?
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Now, as you move, it's going to follow you. Now, what I'm going to do now here, stand over there. Alright, now it's active track. Walk that way. And here, take your phone with you. So if you want to go like walk up that trail.
Yeah?
And the drone
Okay. Hello guys, on your daily vlog here. Today, I'm going to be taking the trail. I don't know how to flip it around, but here, I think you can see it. I hope you saw it. So, we're going to be taking the trail. So, it's going to be exciting, isn't it? Well, let's get walking. You know, taking a healthy walk, you know? Even though I'm like skinny, I should probably eat something, but still, taking a healthy walk. You know, I think I'm still, you know, trying to train my legs for, you know, like walking out and all that stuff, jumping, and, you know, my little things. But, you know, guys, it's pretty nice outside, including in the summer, because it's like, what, April, yeah. It's like almost about summer for me, so that way I can stop school, you know? Like, I just really hate school. Like, they have these stupid rules, like, no, you can't chew gum in class. Like, I don't get that, guys. Like, maybe it's just to not leave, like, gum on the, like, floor or desk, because that's what, like, one teacher said. But, like, still, like, what if they say it's, like, for, like, other reasons? I don't get that. You know, maybe that's why they don't, like, allow it in school, because it's just gonna get everywhere, and then it's gonna be sticky. Yucky. Maybe that's why they don't want you to have it. I don't know. What other stuff? Big towers. But you know. Taking a healthy walk. I mean, I'm not already so far away. Kind of. I guess you could kind of say that. But still, having a nice time. Having a nice little walk. Having a nice day. You know, Chipper says, take a healthy walk outside sometimes. Always sad sometimes.
just now saw that.
But it's always just nice to be outside. Have a healthy walk. I don't know how to flip this thing around. Why is there a drone following me? Oh, that's weird. So guys, it's a drone. Hi, nice. I don't know if he started doing. Maybe you can see it now. I hope he started doing. It's just going around me. What the heck? Nice, healthy walk. Okay. Just to take a walk away from life. Because, people can sometimes be annoying. Because, well, you know why. Huh. So that's, I think it's geese. Yeah, geese. But, yeah. I take me away to healthy walk. The drone's still following me. Okay, maybe I should speed up my pace a little. It's still following me. Okay, I think it stopped. Okay, it stopped following me? Yeah, it's just standing there. Okay, now it's going away. Gone. Oh, I don't see it anymore. I'm not sure if I should interview or not. I wonder where the drone went. Do I hear it? Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is Sparta!
Run away, little boy. Run, run, run from the drone. He's running from the drone. Run, 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 little boy. Run from the drone. Don't fall down. Run, 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 run.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Oh god, guys. You have to help. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's dragging me. You have to help me. You have to help me. talking about. Let me see.
CoNnOrMoNsTeR.